I'm satisfied for the day. I got a Shenango China, Newcastle, PA, and it's got an Indian potter sitting right on it. And look at how perfect it is. And it's like a red flower pattern. This is awesome that it's got that Indian on it. Oh, wow, folks. I'm just satisfied for the day right now. Later. Yes, it's blue glass and it says genuine Phillips and it has a big seal on it, milk of magnesia tablets. Never found one of these. It's nice embossing on it. Later. In blue glass Phillips magnesia tablets. I think this one might be a little bit bigger, but this is the second one for today. And man, look at that. Later. Alright, I just dug out an embossed cork bottle and it says McCormick and Company, Baltimore, Maryland. And it's perfect. Alright, I love this bottle. Nice. I just dug out a miniature like Crock. Look at that. It's a little cork top. Boy, that is cool. It's even got a little handle on it. Wow, I love it. Didn't have nothing on the bottom, but that's nice. Later. That's a candle holder. That's a shame on that. That's pretty nice. Later. Boy, this would have been a cool bottle. It's a shame it's broke. Can't see a date on it. I can't tell. But Dr. Soul's Early American Root Beer. It says rich in dextrose and it has like a pilgrim on it. Would have been nice. Well. Later. Man, I'd like to have this bottle. It's got a mountain man on it, like Mountaineer. It's called Mountaineer Beverage. Wow, this is awesome. And it's Coca-Cola Bottling, Parkersburg, West Virginia. I'm going to take that just because it's so awesome. Some of the graphics are messed up. But man, I want a perfect one of these. Check that out. Later. Alright, it's the next day after I found the Hamilton Jones Crock. I'm back at the dump, and this is my first find. I got another insulator. It's a whole hole. It's all there. It's got some cracks in it, but it'll still clean up nice. That's a pretty good find. Later. Alright, I'm on number 2 of the day, and I saw this roll out its hole. It's another clear one. It's another one of them Hemingway. But I'll take all these I can get. Hemingway number 9. Some of them have different. This says made in the USA and something else on it. I'll get it cleaned up. This is actually perfect. This is a nice piece. I love these things. Later. Alright, I just got a good item. Another insulator, and it's real. It says patent May 2nd, 1893. Check it out, folks. Beautiful piece. I'm happy now. Later. Alright, I just raked out a little container, and there's something in it. So let me see if I can get this off here. Let me set this down and I'll do it live here. Oh, check that out. It's a dice. Heck yeah. That's kind of cool. In the container. I'll clean it up. Later. Alright, I got another army man. That's a guy's like he's posing or something. I don't know what the heck. That's pretty cool. Later. Nice. It's got some damage, but man, look at that. Oh, I love it. Taking it. That's awesome. Even broke. Look at that painting on that. Later. I dug out a cool plastic figure, and it's all there, and it's a dinosaur. It's like a pterodactyl or something. It's probably off an old Mark's playset. I'll get it cleaned up. It'll look great. Alright, that's a cool find. Later. This is now we're talking. I got a little kid's china set, a cup, and it's perfect. Wow, it's nice. Wow, it's very cool. Later. I got a little shell from the ocean, and you know somebody in the 40s, well the 30s to the 60s, when this dump was stopped dumping in, went to the ocean, brought this home, picked it up on the beach. It's traveled all that way, and now I got it for my cabinet of finds. Don't even have to go to the ocean. Heck yeah. And I just got that Indian plate a minute ago. Later. Alright, I got another marble down in here. I just raked it out. I'm working this little wall here. It's a blue cat eye, but it's got a little bit of gray in it. It's like a 2-color one. It's probably a St. Mary's Marble King. I could be wrong, but I've dug a lot of these. Later, right on the factory I've dug them. I've seen them all pretty much, and I would say that's what this is. Later. I'm in a different spot where I found them last marbles, and I must be coming up on where a jar of them was dumped and it's blown open. There's all kinds of lids in here. I'm taking all the mason lids now, but I got a nice marble. I saw it fly out, and it's nice. Let me get it wiped off. Well, I think I can do it right here. It's like a cookies and cream, but it has green in it too. Look, it's like right there, but then there's a nice green spot on it. It's like a cookies and cream with green, and there's several colors of purple. That's pretty nice. I'll start showing pictures of the marbles. This is a decent one. Nice condition. It's a Marble King, for sure. Later. Yeah, Mom, I just want to say this first. Mom, I have on gloves today, so don't complain. I got them on. I just took it off to get this marble and do the button. But and I got a nice marble again. Looks like an old alley. Hold on. Let me clean it in my shirt here. Oh, it's a nice one. All right. It's like the color of a Coke bottle. And it's got swirls, white milky swirls all through it. It's beautiful. It's an old alley, I would guess. It's nice. Later. All right, I just got both of these cobalt blue marbles just in one rake. I must be on them here. Later. All right, well, I saw a marble rake out and I lost it, but I finally found it. And man, it looks like an old alley agate. And it's just, oh man, this is nice. I'm finding the good marbles, that's for sure. This is a beauty. Let me get it wiped off here in my shirt. Not doing too hot on. Oh yeah, look at that. Clear blue cobalt base with just white swirls all through it. It's just awesome. I'll put up pictures. Look at that. Wow. Nice marble. It's a real old one too. Later. Oh, here's another real ornate switch plate. That's pretty cool. I take all of this old stuff like this. This will clean up beautifully. This has a nice pattern on it. Later. Taking this is old automotive. It's Hysul valve oil, the Standard Oil Company. Man, that's kind of nice. But just as good as an oil can. It's probably rare. I think it's 1950. Most of the stuff's here. That's pretty cool. Later.